let me get this straight. Originally, you used to take physical notes until you discovered the magic of iPad note-taking, expecting your notes to look something like this. But then you end up with this. Do not fear, because that's exactly what I'm going to cover in this video to help you stop crying from regret. Hey guys, it's Selena, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can take legible notes on your iPad with GoodNotes in a easier and more efficient way than just doing this.
Well, she tried. At least, you know.
Tip number 1. This is for people who have bad handwriting or are perfectionists when it comes to their writing. So first you need to go into the settings tab and click on Apple Pencil and turn on Scribble. You can handwrite, delete, select, and insert all with the Scribble option. Now you successfully turned on text to write. Tip number 2 are about the hidden brushes. This is such an underground feature. I don't know why nobody talks about this, but there's basically a calligraphy and watercolor brush that comes in the Notes app default. And if you don't believe me, you can check it out. You basically just need to scroll further and you find the watercolor and calligraphy brushes right there. Tip number 3, stickers and aesthetifying your notes. P.S. I'm not really sure if that's a word, but... So next I'm going to tell you how you can make aesthetic stickers. So basically I got all of these images from Pinterest and I actually put them and made them elements. So there's a particular process that you can do that's so simple, and you can separate them into different sections depending on whether it's blue, or you can separate them by color. Now what you need to do is just press the image tab and you can add all of your aesthetic images. Then you need to just click on it and you'll see the add element feature. You can either make a new collection, a new section. So this will allow you that every single time you open up the app, you'll have these already there and split into different sections, so you can just pick and choose which one you'd like. Tip number 4, the last and final tip, allows you to make titles. Now you know how to make stickers, you know how to make the body, you know how to do calligraphy if you wanted to, but sometimes calligraphy can get a little hard, so this is my shortcut for titles. The first step is to go on to fontspace.com, where you can find literally thousands of different fonts that are completely free, literally 100,000 fonts you can see above. You can search up your title, what you want your title to be. You could write history, biology, the name of the chapter, whatever you like. And you could also search up the type on the top bar. So I searched up calligraphy in this particular example. Then I really like this one the most. So all I needed to do was click on it and then save the image to photos. Then I went into GoodNotes and I added that into it, but this particular example I forgot to turn on no background, so all I need to do is just crop it and go freehand and just change the, just crop it roughly with my Apple Pencil, and this way it won't really have that obscuring background to the rest of the grid lines. But otherwise, if you use just blank paper, then it wouldn't have that kind of problem. So now what we need to do is do the rest of the body, and you have successfully known how to make aesthetic notes on your iPad, even though you are really lazy and need to iPad note taking. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!